The vaccine is bitter. Little Inua cringes as he swallows, but it's key to combating a polio outbreak in Syria. We heard of the outbreak and that the government is giving vaccinations, Inua's father says, and so I went to get my son vaccinated as fast as possible. At the